now testing time. Okay, so finally the time has come when we are going to reveal how our cold brew has turned out. So this is how I had kept it in fridge last night, and let's see how it is. Just look at how dark it has become, और पूरा process अच्छे से हो चुका है from what I can see. Now I'm going to filter it through this malmal cloth only, and yeah, let's see. So first let me show you my setup. It is very raw, so don't judge, but this is all I have got at home right now. I didn't have the orange juice का mixer, so मैंने लेमन जूस वाले स्क्वीजी का जो आता है उससे मैंने स्क्वीज करके ऑरेंज जूस बनाया है. And I have taken it for the fresh cream on the left, and this is for the coffee. Then this is pour over ka, what I will say, pour over jar, which in which I'll filter that coffee into. This is our vanilla syrup, and that's the fresh cream. This is all I have got at the moment. So time to filter this thing out. And as this is malmal cloth, ये यहाँ से direct filter होगा. Let's see how it happens. It's gonna get chaotic, but stay with me. I'm sure it's gonna turn out to be at least decent. So I'm going to empty this thing into this. तो ये मैं पूरा, I'm gonna do. Let's see. Okay, so I'm scared, but let's see how it turns out to be. Okay, so I have successfully poured it in the pour over jar, and I'm so happy. मुझे लगा था सब गिर जाएगा at one moment, but hush, it happened. But no nazar. Let's get to the next process where I'm going to whip some fresh cream. I have this with me, and उसमें we are going to put some vanilla syrup and wait, some orange juice जो मैंने already निकाल के रखा हुआ है, and I can see there's a beige into it which I shall remove. But yeah, so that's what we are gonna do, and this is something that I saw new on Blinkit today, so I ordered it on Veem, and let's see how it turns out to be, because apparently it is put only in the coffees and stuff, coffees and tea या herbal tea जो बनाता है उसमें डाला जाता है, ये is what they claimed. So, and per 30 ml it has 103 calories apparently. So we just need 10 ml, so we'll whatever do the math. Those are the amount of calories we are going to have in that whipped cream in vanilla syrup. This goes in now. So just going to put 1 tablespoon of the vanilla cream. No. And now I'm going to put some fresh cream into it, and we'll be whipping it. That's the fresh cream I have. Desi jugaad. So this is how it looks at the moment. And now I'm going to whip it. So we have this thing जिससे हम उसको अच्छे से whip करेंगे and make it nice till it becomes airy. That's what I have seen in the video, so I'm just gonna follow the instructions. Okay, so our whipped cream is finally ready, and now let's make the coffee. So now we have ice in pretty shapes, we have whipped cream, orange juice, and the main ingredient, which is our 16-hour cold brew. And let's see how it turns out now. So the coffee is finally ready. That's how it looks, and it's now testing time. Wow. It's so good. I cannot even tell you. This is my first experiment with Mont Blanc. Though I think coffee थोड़ी ज़्यादा डालनी चाहिए थी मैंने, honestly. This thing. But it has turned out to be really, really awesome for the first experiment. I'm going to add some coffee into it because I think coffee is a bit low. And the best part is, this is home cafe, so no one's gonna judge me. So I'm going to add it ऊपर से. Let's take one more sip. Now it is perfectly there. किसने बस बरिस्ता बनाया यार मुझे? Wow. The person who never drinks coffee and she is having it, who was also my spot by. Okay, so it is also approved by our audiences that we have here. And stay tuned for the next video, which you will find me experimenting something at midnight. I think I should name this series Midnight Cafe. Yeah. And my spot boy is going to be Bhavya, whom we call also Bhavesh. So Bhavesh the spot boy, Spotify. Alexa is tripping, but yeah. Anyways, see you in the next video. Bye.